Got heaps to do.
Where are you going somewhere tonight?
I am going somewhere tonight. You've reminded me.
Oh, you did have something else. Oh,
Where are we going tonight?
you're going truck racing at Geelong.
TFG alluded to that before, didn't he?
He did.
He did allude to it. Have we had the body off one of these lately?
I don't think so. I mean, we all know what's under the truck, right? And
Let's
the
have
truck, if you don't know, we had it jumping really well.
It's been everywhere.
Bendigo.
And at Kilo, it's been everywhere jumping. It's been really well. Although that pinion gear really sounds like it's on its last legs.
I think there's some.
Listen to this one.
There's some black pepper caught in this one.
It's actually freshly serviced.
Was it?
Yeah.
Did you look at the gears?
Yeah.
And did they look like there was...
Worn. But what do you do? It's not like you can just get an RMX 19-tooth pinion in there.
Is it one of those soft aluminium pinions that just wears really quick?
Yes.
Okay, so we should probably try and find a steel one to put in there.
Steel. No.
No?
I say let it go.
Look at that.
Look at this. Let's jump on the overhead.
That's a TT.
Is it? It is a TT. And what I like about a TT is that it really flies the flag for 9 steps. Right?
Let me get that focus.
Because we race these things, a TT01 can only fit round case batteries. And as far as I'm concerned, and I think you'll agree with me, BJ, there is no better round case battery.
I can see more of that Gundam green.
Where?
On your battery cover.
Oh, it's been everywhere.
Hasn't it?
That's been there for ages, actually.
Oh, has it?
But yeah.
Oh, you've been busy. It's been working hard, that
I
pen.
know, right? Here you go. Look at this. 9 steps all the way, baby.
Yeah.
9 steps ahead of the competition. Beautiful. 4200 50C battery. Dean's plug, balance plug. Really, really versatile. Goes in and really light as well.
That's great. This shape fits into all the vintage type cars.
All the vintage type cars, all the classic Tamiya's, all the Re-Re's. It's a really good little product. And, you know, I mean, I don't like to tell people that I charge batteries at 10 amps and stuff like that, but these batteries comfortably, I charge them at 10 amps and stuff.
Yeah, I've seen you.
So, well, because, and that's right, and they don't even come, I mean, not saying they'd stay in the car because that would be dangerous, but take them out of the car. But yeah, after the run, put it back in the charger, charge it. It's charged in about 8 minutes because these cars only take about 600 milliamps in a 6-minute race, and then off you go again. Really efficient from the 9-step speed controller.
Yes.
Beautiful 60-amp speed controller there. And there you go. Got a transponder in there for lap timing. They're back in stock as well, Beach.
They did. They appeared back a couple of days ago.
Transponders are back. I got all excited. I saw them in the cabinet and I took a photo. We've got a humble little 314 receiver and a little highest D500.
Yes.
I would have put the D300, but the D500 does have metal gears. So just to save you having a DNF or having a bad night because you've hit something and stripped all broken the plastic gears.
Yes.
But yeah, and that is TT racing. Very cheap, very affordable. Go to the front one. Very cheap, very affordable. And we are off to Geelong tonight. The Geelong RC race car, RC races. Yeah, down there. Come look it up. Get amongst it. A bit of a club race tonight.
It's an indoor track.
Indoor track.
So it doesn't matter if it's raining.
Guaranteed to race. Simple little cars that I'm running. I was hoping to actually debut the RS 1.0 with the Walker's GT body, but somebody decided to spill thinners all over it.
I know who that was. No idea.
So that won't be happening. And it's only fitting if we take that car with that body.
Yes.
I've that G'd up for it.
Yeah.
You know, and then it'll be scratched and then I'll be really upset.
Yes.
But it's okay. Well, that has been episode 250, I don't know.
200 something.
Yeah, we're right in there.
Aren't we?
Thanks for watching, guys. Congratulations on guessing car of the week.